Hi, I'm Sharon Davis. Did you know that you can finance the cost of improvements into the purchase price of your mortgage? Many people, understandably, may look past homes that need renovations or may not be suited to them. Some require minor do-it-yourself projects and some are extensive. With a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage, we can look at adding in the renovation cost at the time of purchase. If you find yourself in an otherwise ideal situation, a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage can factor in renovations into the monthly mortgage payment that you would be making. With a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage, homes that otherwise wouldn't have made the grade can now be reconsidered under this new light. Being able to update this downstairs suite for a rental property, expanding the master bedroom, or even fixing that roof that doesn't look so great. So if you find a home that doesn't exactly fit your needs or ideals, let's talk about a Purchase Plus Improvements mortgage and see if we can make it fit.